What's up, Saab fans around the world? I hope you're having an awesome day. Today we are going to finish the carbon fiber parts, and in the end of this video I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway. So enjoy the video. So all the parts are wet sanded to almost a flat finish. You can see some low spots still, but the clear coat will build up some layers, so it won't be that visible. But these blue ones are not actually carbon, they are like some Kevlar stuff, and this cloth did suck in the epoxy resin more than the regular carbon fiber, so this has a little more low spots to them, and also the weave wasn't the best because I ordered it from Wish, and it came folded, and folded weave is like damaged forever, but I tried it anyways, so it's sanded through in some spots where it was folded, but I think it will turn out okay anyways. So I have sprayed down the table with some water, and I have used the tack rag to clean off all the parts so they are ready for paint. Same goes with this one. So what I'm going to use, I got a nice package here from bilfärg.se. This is 2K clear coat, which is really strong and really clear. Super nice, made in Germany. So this will be a lot easier to use than a regular spray gun when the parts are this small. So we will aim for, they say on the backing of this that you should aim for 2 to 3 layers, but I think we will go for 4, maybe 5, so we get that super deep shine and gloss to it. That's the thing with carbon, you want that deepness and the effect in the part. So this is the result of all the carbon fiber parts and also the grill parts and the lower fog lights covers. You might wonder why I have this without the net again, and that's because the glue that I used didn't work as well as I thought. So when I start to bend a little bit in the net, it just got loose. So I have another plan for that. I have a new glue that should work a lot better, but all the parts are clear coated, so I took the opportunity and put some 2K clear coat on this as well, so it's really resistant to chemicals, so you can wash it with a lot of degreaser and whatever you like, because the winters is pretty harsh in Sweden. And the mirror caps came out pretty cool as well. This is with 4 heavy layers of clear coat on them, so you get that really deepness into the carbon. And here is the lower grill part. Also came out really nice. And this is my cover, and this got a little bit of defect to it, but it's not very noticeable. But down here it's like a bump because it didn't attach that well, but you don't see it that much. So this is the thing with carbon, it's super hard to get it perfect every time. But you are lucky, the cover that I'm giving away is more perfect. So this is the moment that we all have been waiting for. I speeded up the process a little bit to get finished with the carbon fiber details. So now they are done, and we are going to announce a winner of the contest, the giveaway. And I should tell you, it was a lot of work just doing all of these notes. So here we go. Okay, so here we have the winner of the carbon fiber giveaway contest. And the winner is... Big congratulations to you, Chris. We will establish a contact after this to get a shipping address and everything. And thanks to everyone for commenting on this video. It was awesome. It was a lot more people than I thought it would be. But I hope you will keep following the channel and following the builds that is ongoing. I didn't want this giveaway to take too much focus out of the actual build and the actual YouTube content. But this was a nice thing, I thought so. Once again, congratulations to the winner, and I will see you very soon again to the continue of the build. So have a nice one. Bye.